To administer the company directory, navigate to the company drop-down on the left of the portal and select the company directory menu option. From here, you can add or modify company directory entries. To modify, select the entry and click Modify. You will now be able to change the name and number associated with this entry. Once complete, click Save. To add a new entry into the company directory, click the Add button. You will then need to enter a first name. A last name is not required but can be entered here if you wish. Next, enter the phone number that will be associated with this entry. You can then enter additional contact information below. For this entry to show on handsets, you will need a group speed dial number. From the drop-down, select the number that you want to show on the handsets. So if you have entered multiple numbers above, you can choose which number will show on handsets. After selecting this, you will need to choose a free group speed dial number. If this is not populated by default, you will need to click on the magnifying glass and then choose a group speed dial number that is not already in use. Lastly, click Save. After saving, you will see your new entry in the list and you will see there is a lightning bolt symbol next to the number. This signifies that it will be able to be seen on handsets under their company directory option.